So next I'm going to put a flat roof on the main section of this building. So we can go up to our roof plan. And again, if you don't see the lower walls, we'll just go to our property section, scroll down to underlay, change our range base level to first floor. Next, we'll select our roof tool. For this, yes, we will use our pick walls tool. And we're going to draw a flat roof, so I want it to extend into the wall core. Also, to speed it up, I'm going to tick define slope off, because again, it will be a flat roof. So I'm in the walls tool. Using my pick walls, I untick defines slope. I tick on extend to wall core. And while we're at it, we can also change the roof type. So we'll change it to roof flat felt. So now we just select the walls themselves. Before we do anything, green tick to finish. Okay, so the footprint is okay. So now we'll select edit footprint to go back into it, just to double check everything's okay. So there we can see it's inside the core boundary, so that's exactly where we want it to be. Everything looks good. If it's not, just select it and use your flip arrows. Green tick to finish. Now if we go to our 3D view, there's our flat roof. So the last thing we need to add to this roof is a parapet. To do that, we're going to select each one of the walls. Again, quick way is to hover over one, hit the tab key, left click on the mouse. So all of the walls are now selected. And we're just going to adjust the constraints. So if we come to the properties palette, our top constraint is set to roof level, which is perfect. 2 below that, we have top offset. So with the top offset, we can increase the height of the wall above the roof level. So it's currently set to 0. So if we change that to 1000, press apply, and then we'll see our wall will come above the roof. So we've just added our parapet to the roof. So you can notice that the walls are just disappearing into the roof. There's no definition between the two. So we can change that. We can go to our modify tab. In the geometry panel, we have join. So if we select join, and we'll also tick on multiple joins so we can do it multiple times. It's a case of just selecting the roof, selecting the wall, selecting the roof, selecting the wall. And we can run around the building and escape. So now we can see a definition between the two. So what I'll do is I'll just highlight the roofs that we've drawn and delete them.